What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Today's haircut is going to be a short men's haircut with a 1.5 on the sides with a bald taper on the sides and back. We're going to cut the top blunt, just a nice clean haircut. Hope it's helpful for you guys. Let's get right into the video. Alright, we're starting off with a number 4. As usual, we're just going to cut straight up into the top. We're trying to connect the sides to the top and not leave us a whole lot of work to do after this. So we're just going to take the 4 nice and slow and let it feed into the length on top, hopefully connecting the 2, setting up our side for the fade, and then we'll continue to work our way down. Now we're on to the number 3. We're just going to go right below what we just did with the number 4. We're going to take our 3 right into the 4, and then we can move down to the 2. Now we're in with the 2 just below the 3 that we just did, and guys, on these large guards I use them closed the whole time, and the difference in fading down and fading up is we're not ever going to see a guideline. So the goal here is to take each guard into the guard above it without leaving a guideline. We're going to work our way all the way down to a 1.5, and then we can start our taper. Now we're going to come in and start our first bald guideline. Guys, we're going to disconnect the beard from the haircut. So we're going to do a little bald taper right in the middle. We will fade into the beard and into the hair. So we're going to go ahead and bald out with our slimlines, come in with our shaver underneath that. Then we'll go ahead and fade the beard in before we move on to the taper. Now to blend in the beard, we'll do the same steps as we would on our taper. We're just going to go the opposite direction. So close to the top, then halfway open, then open underneath that, and we should be blended in. Now moving on to the side taper, we'll start with our first guideline. It is going to be the blade all the way open, or the lever all the way open. We'll go up about 1/2 inch and set our first guideline. Then we can start to work that line out from the bottom. Now because I punched the line in, I will scoop it out with the slim lines to start with. Then we'll come in and do a closed clipper at the bottom of the section and a halfway open clipper halfway into the section. You guys can see we're dealing with very little hair here, so it's going to go super quick. Now we're going to come in with the open 1, and remember guys, this is a 1.5 above it, so this should blend right in. We're going to go to an open 1 up into that 1.5. We should have a slight line left in between. We will use our closed 1 on that line, and if needed, we can come in with our half guard and get the rest of that hint of a line out. Now after the half guard, if needed, I can take the guard off and come back in with my open clipper and kind of polish that up before we line up this side. Now we're going to come in and give them a nice sharp C-cup. Guys, these are the Patty Cuts Skeleton Influencer Editions. Still loving these trimmers. They definitely hit super hard, and I love the rubber grip on them. So if you guys didn't check out that video, click the link up above and check out that video. We'll move on to the C-cup. We'll go ahead and knock out the other side, and then we'll do the back taper. Alright, moving on to this side, guys, we'll do the same steps as before, so follow along with the color guide in the bottom corner. Just want to update you guys real quick. I've been dropping videos every week, but I have actually not been working. Some of you guys already know, but my son was born on the 21st. I've been off work since then. If you're watching this today, it is my first day back to work, and I just finished up. But guys, he is healthy, doing great. We have had it's a great experience. It's interesting. Not much sleep. For those of you who have kids, you understand. Not much sleep. trying to trade off and take care of him, but it is excellent, life-changing moment. We both love him. He's just absolutely perfect. So that is my little paternity leave is over. I'm back to work. I hope to bring you guys some new content in the new shop. For those of you who didn't know, I just opened a new shop, so excited to get back in there and get some new content for you guys. I think I'm gonna do a little series on opening a barbershop, different things from staffing and different costs and how to go about a business plan or how to get a loan at the bank, different things like that. Some of you guys have asked for it, so I am going to work on that, and hopefully I can get some content showing you guys the new shop as it develops. I know a lot of you guys, if you didn't see the finished opening video of the new shop, I'll link that in the description and in the card above, so definitely go check that out. But there'll be a lot more content coming soon from the new shop now that I'm back to work. But guys, baby Theo's doing great, and I appreciate all you guys that reached out and told us congratulations, and you know, all the nice comments I have from all you guys on here and on Instagram and different things like that. So I appreciate all you guys, the ones that watch all my videos and actually care about me, leave me some feedback and some nice positive comments. I really appreciate you guys. And on that note, we are on the way to 25K. We will be there any day, so you guys stay tuned for some, maybe we'll do a giveaway, I'm not sure. But anyway guys, we're moving on to the back. Same steps as before. We did a 4 up into the top, a 3 underneath that. Now we're with a 2. We'll knock the rest of this off with a 1.5 and then do our taper. Now, same as the side tapers, we'll start off with our ball guideline with the Slimline Pros, come in with the shaver underneath that, and then we can start our first step. Now we'll come in with the lever all the way open. We do have some more room on the back, so we're gonna go ahead and take this up about 1 inch. We'll do clipper close at the bottom, clipper halfway open in the middle, and we started with the clipper open all the way at the top of the guideline. Now next up, we'll come in with the 1 guard all the way open. That should connect right to the 1.5. You guys see there are some dark spots. That is normal, guys. You know people have indentions and different dark spots on the back of their head. So we'll polish those out as we finish. But we did the 1 open next into the 1.5. Now we'll do the 1 closed on that bottom line, and a half guard right here. We'll take out the last 10 of a line between those 2 sections. All right guys, we're gonna cut the top. I'm gonna show you guys a technique. You wanna hold the clipper backhand, tuck the comb in behind it. On somebody like this with some wavy hair, it likes to wrap around my fingers. So I don't like chasing that with my shears. I'll cut my glove, I might cut my finger. So a lot of times I will do it like this with a clipper, and you guys can see nice and easy. You're just gonna use the same type of guide. We're gonna cut this blunt straight across. So I'll just follow my guide just like if I was using scissors, but we will use the clipper, so you guys just pull the hair up and then use the clipper to cut it all nice and consistent. Now we're gonna come in and do some vertical sections just to cross check, take off any peaks that we have left from our first guide, make sure everything's nice and even on top, and then we can style it up. Now he's not gonna wear this straight down and straight across in the front, but I just wanna clean it up. When you pull the hair up, sometimes you don't get it as consistent as you want, so now I just have it combed down. We're just gonna clean it up nice and clean across the front, get his vertical bars a little bit sharp, and then we'll put some product in and style it. I noticed a little bit of weight laying on the sides from our initial 4 that we took into it, so I'm just coming through with the thinning shears here and just cleaning up that weight. I don't want to take a bunch of length off, so I'm just going to knock it down with the thinning shears on the ends of the hair just so it lays a little bit softer. All right, now I'm gonna come in with some level 3 matte paste. We're gonna rub it nice and through his hair Just give him kind of a messy end style here, and then I will come in with my diffuser, and we're gonna add a little bit of texture to this. He does have a nice curl in his hair. So the diffuser is just gonna dry the hair, put that texture in there, and we can get our nice finished look. Alright guys, there's the before. My guy Eli, super grown out. He usually does not go this long in between haircuts. I think he was trying to wear it grown out there for a while. But there's the end result, guys. Super nice and clean, short men's haircut. I hope it's helpful for you guys. If you guys like this video, smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this cut. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm back on it. I got lots of content coming. I'm excited to get to it. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch you next time.